What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about a major update with BitGERT and why this could actually give Ethereum a run for its bucks. So, we're going to talk about this right now. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. You definitely want to get you a hardware wallet. Definitely check out that link in the description. And also, if you want to help the channel out some more, definitely remember that this video is sponsored by marcellus.beatstars.com. If you need any background music for your YouTube videos, or if you just need beats for your music, I got you. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's talk about BitGERT. So I was going to go over the technical analysis first, but first let's show the updates that we have on the whole BitGERT blockchain. What's going on inside of BitGERT? So first, let's talk about this. So we're getting added to a lot of different platforms right now. So this is actually BitKeep, and now BitGERT is going to be accepted on here. So look at this. BitKeep now supports BitGERT. So that's pretty huge. And that's not just supporting BitGERT. Watch how they'll also start to put some of the BRISE, some of the BitGERT projects on there. Some of the projects made on the BitGERT blockchain will now start to be listed onto these different exchanges and wallets. So this is actually pretty good that now BitGERT is now supported on here, because it's not just BitGERT, it's the BitGERT chain. We got a whole blockchain going on here. And this is really going to give Ethereum a run for its bucks, because we're seeing a lot of different projects are starting to get built on BitGERT, onto the BitGERT blockchain. So this is actually really good for us. The fact that we're getting listed onto all these different things, the fact that we're also having a lot of different projects being built on the blockchain. So that's also very good as well. And also, this is another one, Sphinx Labs. So Sphinx DeFi app is now live. The time we've all been waiting for is finally here. Sphinx DeFi app now live. So yeah, now you can buy, sell, store your favorite BRC20 tokens on the Sphinx DeFi app. So if you don't know much about Sphinx, then you definitely want to come here and check it out. There's a lot of good stuff that you can find out about a lot of these different projects. So there's a lot going on with BitGERT. Let's be completely honest. A lot of people are still hating on BitGERT because they're talking about how it's a scam, how they had previous projects before that they've rug pulled and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't believe it's a scam at all. Me personally, I don't believe it. And like I said, I'm not personally invested inside of BitGERT right now. I had some Centkex, but I had to sell it because I had a lot of bills to pay, and I'm kind of upside down right now inside those bills, if you know what I mean. But yeah, like a lot of people are struggling right now inside of these hard times. So I understand when people say they can't buy the dip, because I'm kind of inside of a similar situation. But I will be buying some more as I get some more money in. But yeah, right now, really good prices right now to scoop up some bigger, really some good prices to scoop up baby Doge if you like that as well. Like I said, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's keep going over this, though. So we already went over the Sphinx DeFi app. We already went over the Young Pair NFT marketplaces on here, on the BitGERT chain, on the BRISE chain. So this article was very interesting to me. It says, though Vitalik says Ethereum is the future, BitGERT project might pull a surprise, and they're giving reasons why it may pull a surprise. So yeah, I know a lot of people are saying Ethereum is the future, and let's not lie. Ethereum is definitely the future, but will BitGERT give Ethereum a run for its money, right? So over here, you can see Ethereum smart chain made by Ethereum chain 1, blah, 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 Ethereum 2.0, blah, blah, blah. BitGERT is challenging Ethereum as one of the best blockchains in the market. BitGERT zero gas fees. This is one of the best things. BitGERT zero gas fee chain is making the BRC20 blockchain the best chain in the market. So that is a huge reason why a lot of people are probably going to try to switch over to BitGERT and get on the BRC20 wave. So that's pretty huge. So among the blockchain projects that are competing with Ethereum is BitGERT. In fact, crypto analysts say BitGERT might upset many blockchain projects, and not just Ethereum. BitGERT is developing one of the most powerful blockchain projects in the industry. In fact, the BitGERT BRC20 blockchain is already outperforming Ethereum in terms of scaling and transaction costs. That's pretty significant. Then over here they say, whereas Ethereum is addressing the scaling issue with its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, BitGERT has already delivered the most scalable blockchain. So the BitGERT blockchain has a speed of 100K TPS. So BitGERT chain is thousands of times faster than Ethereum already. And therefore, BitGERT is already challenging Ethereum in terms of scalability. The Ethereum 2.0 blockchain might push its throughput to 100 thousand per transaction per second, but will not outperform the BitGERT blockchain. So that's definitely a pretty big statement right there that they just made. And on top of all this, we also got the BRISE Paradise, PRDS, if you want to look at it like that. So BRISE Paradise is literally a island in the Maldives. I don't think they own the whole island, but obviously they have this area on inside the Maldives on this island, and they actually own this property, and they're making a whole hotel here for some bigger holders like the PRDS holders, the BRISE Paradise holders. So they're actually still working on it, and they're having a lot of different developments working inside the process. This is what the floor plan is going to be looking like here. So it's probably going to look like a really good project here. I would definitely stay here. Like I said, I'll probably do a whole video here, a whole vlog. I'm going to make a travel channel in the future once that money comes in. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be vlogging this because this definitely looks really interesting. This is something no crypto project is out there doing. No crypto project is making a whole hotel for crypto users. Like, come on now. This is huge. But anyways, we're going to talk about some more stuff with BitGERT. I'm not going to go over all this roadmap stuff with the Paradise. Let me know if you want me to go over this in a video, like it's a whole separate video, because I could probably make a whole video on this, to be honest. This is the island they're doing, and this is the area on the island. This is actually pretty amazing. But anyways, let's back out here. So, oh yeah, okay, so it is on kind of like its own island here. But yeah, like these islands aren't even developed. There's nothing really on these islands, and they have their own development going on these islands. So that's actually pretty big. Anyways, moving on from here, I want to talk about a few other things. I want to do a technical analysis here with BitGERT. So the first thing that I noticed here with the technical analysis, you want to look at the 24-hour market control. I know a lot of people don't like to use indicators, but you always want to look at the 24-hour market control. So over here, you can see the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. So it's showing that we're 60% bearish, and you can kind of confirm that with all the selling that we've had in the last 3 days, right? So 60% bearish here, right? And then you look over here at the oscillator, you're seeing that we're at the top of our peak for our buying wave. So you just see the buying going all the way up. Remember, this is the 15M chart, so it's kind of short term. So you just see the buying going up. And what you see with the buying, this is the buying that we're looking at. And that's why we see it going up right here. But notice how we're at the top of that buying wave. So see, when we hit the top of that buying wave, what comes after that? Selling. We're about to see selling coming back into BitGERT is what I'm showing you. So you're probably going to see it to go back to the 39 area. Right now we're at 41, 4149. I'm just going to say the first two numbers because it's easier. We're at the 41 area, and we may be pulling back to the 39, possibly even a harder pullback all the way back here to the 36 area. Now look, if we go all the way back to 36, I know a lot of people don't want to see that, but that's a really good buying opportunity. So it has the possibility to hit that 39 area. And look, we also have some more support for BitGERT over here at the 33 area, and then we have some more support down here at about the 32 area. So you want to watch out for both of these areas. So that's really good for us. It's a really good discount. That's what I mean by really good. A lot of people don't want to see it go down, but it's a good discount. And then you also have some more resistance up here. If we became bullish, you would see BitGERT getting stopped here at this level at 4.4. So you would see it getting stopped around 4.442. And that would be our resistance, right? So we have a few other things here at BitGERT. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour chart. You also want to look at this. I want to say something else about the 4-hour chart though. So you can see here on the 4-hour chart, we're at the bottom here for our selling, right? So we've literally bottomed out here on the selling of the oscillator. You see how the selling has bottomed out. What comes after that? Purchasing. And that's what shows on the 4-hour chart. You see how the 15M chart showed that the buying is at this peak, but the 4-hour chart is showing that the selling is at its peak. So when you see that the selling is at its peak, what you really want to do here, you want to wait until it starts to, go down a little bit, and then you're going to see buying. So as BitGERT goes down just a little bit more, you'll probably end up seeing that buying coming. So like I said, if we go back down to 36 or 33, you're going to see buying coming immediately after that. So you definitely want to prepare for that. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. You can see, I wanted to mention a few things. You can actually see BitGERT is up 5.1%. Yet everything else is not doing what BitGERT is doing. I just wanted to show that because that's actually pretty cool. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. Also, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, if you don't have a Ledger wallet or just a hardware wallet in general, you want to get one. Remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto, definitely check out the link in the description, all that good stuff. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.